lovely friends, welcome to Creative Art. I am Nilima and in today's tutorial we are going to make this beautiful glitter kalash hanging decor using make your own DIY kit from Little Birdie. This festive season, let's go eco-friendly by using all natural materials or handmade reusable decorations that can be used every festive season. So friends, do watch this complete tutorial to make this beautiful wall decoration for yourself just within 10 minutes. And friends, do subscribe to Creative Art for more creative art tutorials and do press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on a recent art form. In today's tutorial, we are going to make our own glittering kalash hanging decor using this DIY kit from Little Birdie. And in the same way, you can also make your own glitter and pearl hanging diyas using the DIY kit from the same Little Birdie. So now friends, let's check out what is in this kit. First in this kit, we get our self-adhesive glitter pre-cut kalash shape. So these are 20 pieces of kalash shape. Next are self-adhesive glitter pre-cut mandala shape. These are also 20 pieces. Wow, these look so cute. Next we get a green color woolen ball. This is some yellow string to tie and hang and 2 pearls in it. And we get an instruction manual by following which we can easily make this kalash hanging decor. So now let's start the tutorial friends. According to the manual, and it's also written on the box that you can make 2 1-meter kalash hanging decors. But if you follow my steps, you can also make 4 kalash wall hanging decors. So now let's start by making our first pom-pom using this green wool. So I'm going to cut a small piece of this wool first, which I'm going to need. I'll place it on a bottle like this. Then hold one side of the wool. Actually, you can tie it exactly in the center. Now place the string exactly in the center of a bottle. You can also do it on your hand, but I like to do it this way. And now start wrapping the wool all around. I think this much is enough. So I'm going to cut the wool from this part. Then use these 2 strings and tie at least 2 knots very tightly right here. Okay. And then use a cutter or scissor to cut the wool from the bottle. Here we have got a hairy pom-pom. If you want to level it up, just give it a nice trim from the bottom. Just give a nice trim from the bottom so you get an equal size of pom-pom. Do the same to make rest of the 4 pom-poms. Now this is how the woolen pom-pom will look. In the same way, make more 3 pom-poms and then use a small string of wool. Tie it from the middle part once again. And then insert this woolen ball from the plastic pearl. There is a hole here to do it. If you get any difficulty inserting this pearl, you can also use a needle or pin which will help to insert wool inside this pearl. So now we have 4 pom-pom strings. Now after making these pom-poms for the bottom, all the pieces of wall hangings are already ready. So let's start the process. First of all, in this yellow string, I'm going to insert 8 pearl beads in this way. In this pack, you get only 2 pearl beads. But as I have got few extra for myself, so I'm going to put pearl beads after each glittering design. And here I have kept ready all the rest of the pieces. 20 of the kalash, 4 different colors and 20 pieces of small mandala design. So now pull back all the pearl beads, keep it aside. Let's pick up first kalash. I'm going to use green. These cutout pieces are called self-adhesive because when you peel out from the back side, you'll find a sticky base which is just perfect for this DIY. So now I'm going to lay half sheet like this from the center of the kalash to the center. Gently press it and this string will stick to it. And I'm going to use the green pom-pom. Leave out 2 green woolen strings on this adhesive part, just to give it extra secure and support, as this pom-pom can be a little heavy for this part. So I'm going to add a 2-side tape, and then I'll cover it again with the same seal they gave it to us on the exact same place. Okay, so we have got everything on piece. When you turn it out, this is how it will look. To add some weight, I'm going to add 1 more pearl on the top of this kalash, and this is how it will look. In the same way, part by part, we are going to add this mandala designs. Just peel out the back side in this way and place it right here like this. Okay, now take 1 more pearl, let it be next color of kalash. Then 1 more pearl. Now next mandala design, press it back, 1 more pearl. Now next kalash design, give it back, pack it up, 1 more pearl. Each time after placing a design, I place a pearl. Next mandala design, then a pearl, then the kalash design, place a pearl, and finally the last mandala design. And now this is how beautiful our string will look when we turn it upside down. So in the same way, just within 10 minutes, we can make more 3 strings, and I'm going to do that now. In the same way, I completed making more 4 strings of kalash hanging decors and decorated my wall. And finally friends, this is how beautiful my entire wall looks after decorating it with these beautiful kalash hanging decors. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.